Okay, let's start with vertex form. So I have a vertex right here at -2, -2. And vertex form says x minus h squared plus k. So let's plug it in. Looks like my a value is going to be 1 since I'm going right one up 1. 1 of 1, x minus -2 squared plus -2. Let's simplify x plus 2 squared minus 2. So there's my vertex form. I can get from vertex form to standard form pretty easily. I can just, I can do the box if I want to. At x plus 2 with a little -2 on the outside. X squared, 2x, another 2x, 2 times 2 makes 4. So I'm going to have x squared plus 4x plus 4 minus 2, that 2 on the outside. That just becomes a plus 2. So now I have a standard form as x squared plus 4x plus 2. A factored form isn't going to be easy because right here, these don't look like they're on integers. So I'm going to use the Babylonian method on this one. The Babylonian method is going to use the symmetry of the quadratic to help us with our factored form. Because if we think about it, we're going to have this line of symmetry right here. And I have to go this way, and I have to go this way. Now, what we know about factored form is that if I have something like x squared plus bx plus c, then I know that I have to pick two numbers, x plus m and x plus n, where these numbers are going to add up to get b, but multiply to get c. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to pick the middle number. I'm going to pick b divided by 2, and I'm going to go both directions. So I'm going to do 4 plus some unknown number left and right, 4 plus an unknown number, and 4 minus an unknown number. And actually, sorry, this is just going to be 2. 2 minus an unknown number. I'm doing 2 because that's half of 4. That's going to be equal to 2. So now when I do 2 times 2 is 4, plus 2u minus 2u, those cancel out, and I have minus u squared. It's going to be equal to 2. Add the u squared and subtract 2 from both sides. So we get 2 equals u squared, u equals square root 2. So what this means is that this unknown number down in here is square root 2. And I can tell them that my vertex is at -2. So that means my two roots are at -2 plus or minus square root 2. And now if I plug those into factored form, I'm going to have x minus -2 plus square root 2. And x minus -2 minus square root 2, which can probably be simplified to x plus 2 minus square root 2. We did x plus 2 minus square root 2, and x plus 2 plus square root 2. That would probably give me my factored form. Let's test it out. Let's do x squared plus 4x plus 2. Okay, I can already tell visually that's looking very similar to what we have. Let's test out vertex form to see if that one was right. That's plus x plus 2 squared minus 2. Okay, those are a match. Now let's try this one. Let's do x plus, actually maybe I like this one better with the extra parentheses, although this one is kind of simpler. I don't know, let's do both. Square root 2 x plus 2 plus square root 2, and oh, look, that is also a perfect match. So that fit right on top of the other ones. You can see it right there and there. Okay, so that would be our factored form.